Hello everyone, thank you for coming up today. My old subscribers, thank you. And to those viewing for the first time or that have not subscribed, please click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified each time we upload a new video. And to my new subscribers, thank you for subscribing. Please do not forget to hit on the like button. This is actually unheard of, and I don't know if there is a law backing something like this. It was gathered that a magistrate has ordered a lawyer to be jailed, and these are his reasons. An Abuja magistrate, who is Ibrahim Mohammed, has ordered policemen at the court to arrest and handcuff a lawyer, Eburu Ekwe Barth, for challenging him on the summary of the case before the court. Have you heard of something like this before? And the Magistrate Court of Wuse, Zone 6, Abuja, thereafter sentenced Ekwe to 2 months in prison for contempt in the face of the court. The lawyer was thereafter handcuffed and led out of the courtroom. Guys, it is not strange. Like, if you challenge a judge, does it mean that the judge should now get you arrested or jailed? A lawyer also present during the dramatic court proceeding told barrister that the lawyer's crime was that he interjected when the magistrate was delivering a ruling on an application by the opposing lawyer. The lawyer's ground of interjection was that the magistrate what he never said to him in his ruling, and the lawyer further queried whether there was a conspiracy between the magistrate and the plaintiff's lawyer. That's the person who came with the complaint, if there was a kind of arrangement between the lawyer and that particular person who actually came. And his interjection angered the magistrate, and he immediately ordered his arrest and sentenced him for contempt. Pleas for mercy made by many lawyers present during the proceedings were ignored by the judge. The lawyer was taken to Suleja prison. Is this not just too much? Guys, there's nothing like freedom of speech, because it's like there was a kind of conspiracy and the magistrate seemed biased in the case. This is what somebody was saying, and that the NBA should look into this, a case of other activities that are even happening that are not even taken seriously, or people that are meant to be arrested are not arrested. So just for this court now, the judge felt that this lawyer interrupted him and mentioned something that he never mentioned. So for that reason, he should be arrested. So right now, this particular lawyer is now in jail in Suleja prison. Is this how things should be? Shouldn't people be obligated to their own opinion? If the lawyer is now saying that what he's trying to prove to the judge is completely different from what the judge had said earlier, I think there should have been some way to bring the attention of that lawyer and then let him correct himself there and there. But instead, the judge now had to say, go in, I'm going to get you locked up in jail for that. Is that enough reason to get somebody locked up? The people that are meant to be locked up are out there. Some of these people that are into a whole lot of crime, embezzlement, and all of that. Those are the people that they should be after, and not just people that are trying as much as they can to do their jobs. So is this judge now justified for doing this? Do they have the power to actually do this? Okay, fine, let me say, maybe they have the power, but should it be to this extent? At least the lawyer did not insult him or call him names. He felt the lawyer made a pronouncement that he was not supposed to make, that it has already interfered with what him as the judge was meant to say or prove in the court. I've never heard of something like this happened before, where a judge would now sentence a lawyer to prison all for interruption or saying things that he claimed he mentioned but he didn't mention it. Is this exercising power, or is it exercising your right, or is it exercising the law? Are there laws backing? Because I know most of these judge and lawyers, they work with the law. They have most of their activities is backed up with the law. They'll give you section this, section that, so they don't go outside the law to act. That's one thing about the lawyers and the judge. So that now my question is, does it mean that this is part of the law or part of the constitution? And can't anybody intervene or do anything to stop something like this? Or even while he was taking him into custody, is there no way that anyone would have stood up to like see a need to make that stop? Probably people are also scared. So once they now open their mouth to say anything to defend this other guy, they may end up being a victim of being locked up in the prison. I don't think this happens everywhere, but like I said, I've not heard of something like this happening before, and this is the first time I'm hearing something like this happen in court. This is in Abuja, in court 2 in Wuse. This is exactly where this incident happened. It's so devastating that this man will now be sentenced to 2 months in prison. The court feel that there's a conspiracy in this particular case with the lawyer and the plaintiff, that's the person who came up with the complaint. Well, we'll get to know. Probably they may mention it if this is part of the law or this is how it actually works in the courtroom. Things like this should not be in place, because at the end of the day, some of these lawyers may not have the freedom to express themselves or to have grounds to stand and say things that they think it's right or what they feel should be said. If someone should make pronouncements and then, or you sense conspiracy in whatever the case was, there are other ways. I don't know, like I said, maybe it's part of the law. It's been there for a very long time. It's best known to them. But this action was, I think it's just too much for this lawyer. And if he's a family man with kids, so they should be rest assured that for the next 2 months they're not going to have contact with their father, because he is now locked up for his comments or his statements in court. I used to think that lawyers and judge work hand in hand, in the sense that there is this kind of flow. Maybe there are in some cases, but in this case the reverse is now what we are actually seeing, because a judge locking up a lawyer for what he felt was a conspiracy and all of that, should that still be okay for him to initiate this particular decision he just took right now? And is it that no one can actually stop or counter what the judge says? Because definitely there may be other actions that would have been taken rather than sending the man to jail and 2 months in prison. Guys, please, if you have anything to say, you could also put that down at the comment section. Like I said, I've not heard of something like this happen before, but for it to have just taken place, it just happened now. That's why it was actually everywhere. It's rare. Something serious must have gone wrong somewhere. Or could it be that the judge had something against this lawyer from the onset before this case, and he needed an opportunity for him to either deal with this particular lawyer or call his attention to something that is wrong, and he needed a very good opportunity? Probably that's what I'm saying. Maybe the judge had to use this as an opportunity to take the man away completely. We can never tell what was really behind this, since it's something that is new. But please, like I said, if there are any comments you have, you can please put that down at the comment section so we could understand it together and know what it means. Please don't forget to hit on the like button, also the notification bell, so you get notified each time we upload a new video. Friends, I'm here today to talk about how to start up a new YouTube channel. So for those that are looking to start up a new YouTube channel, probably you've been trying to figure out how to go about it, or you have been trying to see what it entails or what you need to start. That's why I'm here today, to give you the easy way for you to get this done. Not just the easy, but the best method, and also to give you or to talk about the best teacher who will give you all that is required for you to start up your own YouTube channel. This is a teacher. He is really successful with his YouTube, and he has been a teacher for so long now. Teacher is Matt Pa. He's going to give you a step-by-step method on how to start up your own YouTube channel. No stone unturned. Every step of the way, he's going to lead you through it. You have links that you can actually reach out to him and communicate with him directly. That's Matt Pa there. You can see the huge successes he has made in YouTube. You can see his silver, you can see the gold, you can also see his revenue that he's actually making on YouTube, which is very huge. He is going to give you a YouTube step-by-step tube mastery class, every step of the way, from the beginning of the opening of the channel to how you can start up and put up your videos. He is leaving no stone unturned, like I said. So for those that are seeking for how to start up their own YouTube channel, this is the easiest and the fastest way for you to have access to this particular teacher, who is honest and straightforward, and you will enjoy every bit of the class, and you will have lots of gain. At the end of your class, you will have lots to hold on to and to start up your own YouTube channel. It's going to be like an ABC class, starting from the scratch. So please, for those of you that are interested in starting up your own YouTube channel, Matt Pa, he is the teacher, and you will have direct access to him. I'm dropping the link below, so please, you just click on that link and you will have access to Matt Pa's class. He is going to give you the whole content of YouTube and all that it takes for you to be successful in YouTube, and how to start YouTube from the scratch. Like I said, and I'm going to repeat, he's leaving no stone unturned. And it's so interesting that if you have any kind of complaint, no matter the time you have this complaint or you are confused about anything, you can communicate directly to him, and he will give you a response as soon as he gets your question, or as soon as he gets your mail or anything you're trying to confirm from him. He is quick at responding, and he will give you the right answers. And even if you go elsewhere to search, you find out that what he is saying is actually true. He wouldn't mislead you. So please, for those of you that want to start your own YouTube channel from the scratch and see how you can be successful on YouTube, please go to this link, click on the link below, so you'll have access to the teacher. That's the teacher there. You can see and see his success. You can go through that, and then you click on the link so that you can have direct access to Matt Pa himself. This teacher, you will enjoy and enjoy every bit of the classes that he's going to give to you. So friends, do not forget to click the link below so you have access to Matt Pa's Tube Mastery class, and he will give you the best teaching For YouTube, you would really need to start your own channel. Friends, thank you for coming up today. Please, for those that have not subscribed, click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified each time we upload a new video. Thank you once again, and God bless you all.